How to start a Snapchat streak. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can start a Snapchat streak, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So before we try to get on to how to start a Snapchat streak, the very key thing that you have to understand is that what is a Snapchat streak. So when you understand the definition, you should be able to figure out yourself how you should really start a Snapchat streak. So in simple terms or in simple words, Snapchat streak is simply a number of consecutive days that you have constantly sent snaps to each other without exchanging messages in between. So when one of you actually sends a snap and then you keep sending snap, that person also responds and you exchange it, and in order to start you need to at least send it for 3 consecutive days. After that you will see a fire emoji right next to that Snapchatter. So if I go ahead and then open up this Snapchat application, and then if you come to my profile page over here or my chat space, you can see I've got a handful of best friends, but I don't have a Snapchat streak because I've not exchanged snaps with anybody. But if you do want to start a Snapchat streak, as I said, the key thing to also remember is that you need to have at least 3 consecutive days, and then after that a Snapchat streak is going to start. Now you can just try to exchange snaps with each other and a Snapchat streak, and the number beside it will also be shown. And that's all it takes to start a Snapchat streak. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.